This is not financial advice, not legal advice, for entertainment and educational purposes only, and anything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. That being said, hit the like button, subscribe button, all that YouTube algorithm stuff, so you get the videos I put them out. See what I'm thinking, see me analyzing that data. Like I tell every day, the day they release us is false. Man, it gives a false narrative to market so we can make bad trading decisions. Listen, I am getting a lot of messages from international investors who are being screwed over by their brokers. They're not getting, some of them never got their APE shares in the first place, but now they're not getting the right AMC shares. They're not getting the settlement shares. I mean, it is absolutely crazy what's going on with our international retail investors. And I'm going to tell you guys something. You need to speak to an attorney. You need to speak to an attorney. A few of you guys need to get together and get an attorney and see if a lawsuit against your brokers, against AMC, and not only that, against the entities that are actually working as in-betweens between America and your broker, because they're not doing it directly. There has to be a middleman. And if enough of you get together and get some attorneys involved, you might be able to get some justice. And I know you're saying, well, what about in the United States? Our system in the United States, and this might sound horrible, is corrupted. It's corrupted. I mean, we have a SEC that sees the biggest Ponzi scheme in world history going on right before their eyes, and they do absolutely nothing. We have rules in place about naked shorting. We have rules in place about the threshold list. We have rules in place about fraud and corruption. We have antitrust laws. We have RICO laws. And there's been a violation of all these laws for the last 30 months, and they have done absolutely nothing. And you know why? Because the bad actors donate millions, probably billions of dollars to these politicians. So these politicians put people in charge of these agencies that kind of do what these people want, what the bad actors want. But in Europe, these companies don't have that kind of influence over over the politicians, rather. They don't, the bad actors don't have that kind of influence over politicians in Europe. So if you guys have the attorney go after these brokers, if you contact your regulatory agencies, more than likely they will do a proper investigation and the bad actors will be brought to justice. It is more difficult in the United States because these bad actors control our politicians, but in Europe, they don't control the European politicians. So I would suggest that you European AMC shareholders, y'all should get together. Y'all should contact an attorney. Y'all should contact your regulatory agencies and file lawsuits against everybody who is robbing and stealing from you. I mean, that's the bottom line. And if enough of you guys get together and you wanted me to fly out there to talk to some people, I would fly out there to talk to your regulatory agencies about what's going on in the United States concerning the fraud and corruption that is left to go unpunished in our stock market. Anyway, please leave some comments. Tell me what you think. Are you an international AMC holder who is losing money and not seeing your AMC shares settled properly? Anyway, have a great day. God bless, and I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.